I'm filming. You cut up Danielle's face for all of it.
I broke it.
Oh well.
How did you break it?
It's a prop.
So there's no force anymore?
No, I still got the force.
No, he has to use Viagra to use the force.
Oh, that have to hurt. Yeah.
Look at Hillary. Hillary, try killing her now.
Hillary's like, what the hell? Akko's just like, oh my stomach.
Yo, Pokeball! Yeah.
There's Akko like, what
Yo,
the
throw it at her. Throw it at her.
Throw it at her. Throw it at her.
I don't have the force anymore. I'm not good anymore.
Zoom into Akko's face.
Yeah.
The new horror film of 2011.
Wow, this.
Yeah, that's a creepy shot right here.
Yo, you killed my.
Get even closer.
Nah,
Luke, I am your father. What the hell? I've been just chosen.
Let me see the video.
Yo.
Pikachu.
Yeah.
I think wait.
I gotta get Nicole in this photo. Fish. She's holding a beef jerky. Fish.
It's a fish jerky. Look, I love LAT.
You ruined the thing. You just ruined it. Never, in 30 years, never take this course. Okay.
Yo, stop the video. Let's see how it looks.
Yeah. Doesn't matter.
Did I just